partnership with Wing VC, we are at Nasdaq's market site celebrating the Enterprise Tech 30 list. My name is Christina Ayanian, and joining me today is founder and CEO of Pinecone, Edo Liberty. Edo, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Let's get started and talk about Pinecone. What does Pinecone do, and what is your company's mission?
We are a vector database, and what we do is basically give long-term memory for these AI models that I think a lot of people are already aware of and know a lot about.
And just to break it down for those who may not be familiar with the industry, why is it important to have a specialized database to handle large-scale data like Pinecone is doing specifically with AI?
Great. The way AI models, and specifically what's called language models, these are things like OpenAI and ChatGPT, but now Bard and from Google and others, the way they access data, the way they expect to have data presented to them is very different than traditional databases. And so when you want to have ChatGPT-like behavior or like chatbot or some question answering system with large language models with AI, and you want to pair it up with your data, your organizational data, you want to make it secure, you want to keep it private, you want to keep it up to date, you need a very specialized database, and that is Pinecone. That's why people are marrying our solution with something like OpenAI's and others to create these new kinds of applications.
You've gained a lot of recognition in your ability to really manage this high-frequency data. You've earned a spot on the Enterprise Tech 30 list, the #1 spot. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And you recently closed your $100 million Series B. Congratulations on that as well. What attributes to your success and your continued growth?
First of all, it's the adoption. I mean, we really see that people build amazing applications with this very diverse set of applications, sometimes language, images, security, anomaly detection, you name it. We've been growing massively, both as a business and as a technology. And I think that's pretty much it. I think this is especially unique for infrastructure companies, where we don't have like an easy-to-use application that everybody can download, and yet the adoption has been phenomenal, right? It's a very advanced crowd, engineers and so on, but still, the adoption has been phenomenal.
And what do you think really attributes to the investor confidence and really attracting investors to the business?
I think there are three main reasons. First, the fact that this kind of database, this new vector database, is a new pillar, is a new kind of database. It's something that's here to stay. That has been proven by the market maybe last year. Probably at the late into the year, and maybe even the beginning of this year, I think it was fairly obvious that we were by far the leader of that category, and so that was already a pretty powerful story. And then you overlay that with phenomenal penetration of the market and adoption, and you kind of have a very easy setup.
And it's been incredible to see how the company has grown tremendously. It's not easy. It starts from ground up, and you've really built the company from ground up. Do you have any advice for aspiring entrepreneurs?
Luck helps. Luck and work together.
Work.
Yes, exactly. Good combination.
What's next for Pinecone?
We are investing very deeply in how AI, and specifically these language models, can be a lot more reliable, dependable, secure, give the right information and not what's called hallucinate, which is a huge problem with these language models nowadays, and really make them a lot more of a enterprise-ready tool to be used confidently, and rather than like an exciting new frontier, right? And so today we see very advanced technology groups adopting it, but they're still on the cutting edge. I think most of the industry is still on the fence on, can we really embrace this, or are we, like, how do we feel about this right now? And I think with marrying the kind of smartness of these AI models with the data dependability and security of a database next to it that can talk to it, I think they can get the best of both worlds, and we're trying to figure out exactly how to do that in the best possible way.
Absolutely. It definitely sounds like you're propelling that forward-thinking mindset into the future.
Correct.
Yeah. Thank you so much for sharing your story. Congratulations again, and we look forward to having you back.
Thank you.